Meaning of empire building.
Empire building.
Empire building.
Empire building.
Empire building. Empire building refers to the act of using one's resources and power to expand one's influence, often at the expense of others. The result of empire building can vary, but it often leads to the concentration of wealth and power in the hands of a few individuals or groups. It can also lead to the exploitation of resources and people in the areas being controlled. In some cases, empire building can result in conflict and war as other nations or groups resist the expansion of power. Ultimately, empire building can have long-lasting effects on societies and regions for centuries to come.